Okay guys, we've got Mr. Brent's 300 Norma Magnum chambered. It's a light varmint, 30-inch cut rifle barrel. We throated it for this 250 grain A-Tip with about 15 thousandths off the lands. It's a brand new Lopple case. There's no fight whatsoever in that. See if we can get this out. So I usually headspace them off a new case and do it about 0 on a headspace gauge. This is where this one wound up. You can feel just the slightest bit of tension on the go gauge, which is how I like it. So we've got about 3 thousandths clearance on a brand new Lopple case and about 0 clearance on the go gauge. Turned out perfect. I think it's going to be a super good shooter. Thanks.